this video, let me show you how to export HTML code from Canva. First, finish editing your website in Canva, then click Publish Website. You'll see your live website with its address. Click Publish if everything looks good. Then, click View Website. To get the HTML code, right-click any empty space on your Publish website. Choose Save As from the menu. This will download your website as an HTML file. To view the HTML code, open the downloaded file in Notepad or any coding guide. Here, you can see the HTML structure and make edits if needed. That's all. Now you can use this HTML file however you need. Thanks for watching.